Namaskar, I'm Apurva, and you're watching History and Forgotten Legends on One World News, a series where we revive the stories of extraordinary souls who shaped civilizations, yet slipped quietly through the pages of time. Today, we travel back 7 centuries to the heart of Anatolia to meet a man whose verses still echo in the minds of those seeking peace, love, and divine truth. A man called the voice of the human heart. Today's forgotten legend is Yunus Emre, the mystic poet. The man who wrote in the language of humanity. Born in the late 13th century, Yunus Emre lived during an era of political turbulence, wars, invasions, and uncertainty. Yet instead of picking up arms, he chose the weapon of a poet, words. Simple, profound, and overflowing with love. While scholars wrote in sophisticated Persian and Arabic, Yunus Emre chose to write in everyday Turkish, the language of common people. His poetry did not aim at kings or scholars, but at hearts. He spoke of unity, compassion, humility, and the deep longing of the soul for the divine. His philosophy was simple yet revolutionary. Love is the bridge between you and everything. His journey from a villager to a Sufi saint. Apurva, legend says that Yunus Emre began as a humble villager, a man working the land, searching for meaning. During a severe famine, he visited a saint named Tabduk Emre, seeking wheat, but instead, he found wisdom. He stayed, he learned, he surrendered, and he transformed. For 40 long years, Yunus served his master's lodge by chopping wood, a symbol that the path to enlightenment begins with the simplest acts. When the time came, his master sent him out into the world, not as a laborer, but as a bearer of love. From village to village, Yunus Emre traveled on foot, carrying nothing but his poetry, verses that soothed hearts and united people across faiths and borders. The poet of peace. Despite living in fractured times, Yunus Emre refused to divide humanity. He wrote, "We love the created for the sake of the Creator." In a world consumed by conflict even today, his voice feels timeless, reminding us that spiritual greatness is not in rituals or dogmas but in kindness and empathy. His poems were sung by wandering minstrels, whispered in gatherings, and carried across continents from Central Asia to the Balkans. Even today, UNESCO recognizes him as a global symbol of peace and intercultural dialogue. Why he is a forgotten legend despite his immortal poetry? Yunus Emre's name often disappears behind louder figures of history. He wrote no grand epics. He fought no heroic battles. He built no monuments. His legacy lives not in stone, but in souls. And perhaps that is why the world sometimes forgets him. Yet somehow, those who seek meaning eventually find their way to his verses. Yunus Emre reminds us that true legends are not always those who shake kingdoms, but those who touch hearts. His message is simple: to know God, know love. To know love, serve humanity. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the past. This is Apurva, and you're watching History and Forgotten Legends on One World News. Until next time, keep exploring and keep remembering.